Granada is an extremely hot part of Spain, but as the warm air blew over the pools and fountains, the water would evaporate, cooling the air surrounding the palace and making it a very comfortable place to be. The water continued all the way through the palace until it reached the western portion of the palace where the soldiers lived. It was built slightly higher than the rest of the palace, and so the water had to make a final 6-meter climb to reach it. We saw how water wheels were used to raise the water, but for this section, they came up with something much more impressive. This was a special device that didn't require water wheels, animals, or any external power. Here's how it worked. Water from the system would flow into a container with a hole in the bottom, leading down to another container below. As the water traveled down through the pipe, a whirlpool would form in the top container. At the center of the whirlpool, a low pressure area would form, sucking air downwards and into the container below. Here, the air and water would mix, and this gassy water would be forced into a thin pipe. The potential energy in both pipes was the same, meaning under normal circumstances, the water pushing down in this pipe would push the water upwards equally in this pipe. But since the water in the thinner pipe was full of air bubbles, it was lighter and could travel higher up the pipe. By passing a constant flow of water through the whirlpool, this device was able to raise water 6 meters higher than when it entered, providing water to the rest of the palace.